Hey guys, not everything goes according to plan in my videos. In one of my more recent videos, how to properly drink a Pepsi, I try to open the can of the bottle of pop 3 times, and 3 times it sprayed over me. It's kind of funny. I got it on camera. So here is me failing 3 times at opening up 1 Pepsi bottle and 2 Coke bottles. Please enjoy these bloopers. As I've said before, not everything goes according to plan, but we got some funny bloopers out of it. If you guys like blooper videos, let me know in the comments down below, because not everything goes according to plan, but at least we get a good laugh out of it. Alright guys, see you guys next time, and stay tuned for another episode, guys. See ya.